Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best folding treadmills. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the folding treadmills in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best folding treadmills on the market right now. Starting our list at number 10 is the Hurdle Electric Folding Treadmill. This is a lightweight and portable treadmill that's perfect for home use. It features a digital display that tracks your time, speed, distance, and calories burned, providing all the essential data for an effective workout. The treadmill can reach speeds up to 6 mph, making it suitable for both walking and light jogging. The foldable design ensures it can be easily stored in small spaces, and the built-in safety key and emergency stop button add an extra layer of security during your workouts. The Hurdle treadmill also includes preset workout programs, allowing you to vary your exercise routines and keep things interesting. Its compact size and quiet operation make it a practical choice for any home. Coming in at number 9, we have the Serene Life SLFTR D20 Smart Folding Treadmill. This treadmill is another great option from Serene Life, designed for those who need a compact and efficient workout solution. It includes a 5-inch digital display that shows your run time, distance, speed, calories burned, and heart rate. The treadmill can reach speeds up to 7.5 mph and features 3 manual incline settings to intensify your workout. It's designed to be compact and easy to store, making it ideal for small spaces. The treadmill also comes with built-in pulse grip sensors to monitor your heart rate, and Bluetooth connectivity allows you to sync your workout data with fitness apps. Additionally, the foldable design and transportation wheels make it easy to move and store, ensuring you can keep your living space clutter-free. At number 8, we have the Echelon Stride Folding Treadmill. This high-end treadmill is ultra-compact and comes with a built-in touchscreen display for an interactive workout experience. The treadmill offers live and on-demand classes through the Echelon app, making it easy to stay motivated and engaged with your fitness routine. The automatic incline feature and easy one-touch controls make it a user-friendly option for both beginners and advanced users. The Echelon Stride is designed with a sleek, modern aesthetic that fits well in any home gym. It has a spacious running deck that provides ample room for comfortable strides, and the cushioned surface helps reduce the impact on your joints. Additionally, the treadmill folds down to just 10 inches high, making it incredibly easy to store under a bed or in a closet. Its robust construction ensures durability, while the variety of workout programs keeps your exercise regimen diverse and challenging. Number 7 on our list is the Serene Life Smart Digital Folding Treadmill. This model is known for its compact design and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for home workouts. It comes with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to connect your devices and listen to music or podcasts through the built-in speakers while you exercise. The 3-inch LCD display provides real-time feedback on your speed, distance, time, and calories burned. The treadmill also features 12 preset training modes, catering to different fitness levels and workout goals. Its shock-absorbing running belt reduces stress on your joints, making your workouts more comfortable and safer. The foldable design and integrated wheels make it easy to store and move around, while the safety key and emergency shutoff button ensure a secure workout environment. Whether you're walking, jogging, or running, this treadmill offers a reliable and enjoyable fitness experience. Coming in at number 6, we have the Profor Carbon TLX Folding Treadmill. This treadmill stands out with its ProShox cushioning system, which significantly reduces the impact on your joints and makes for a more comfortable running experience. It also offers 18 workout apps designed by certified personal trainers, ensuring you get a well-rounded and effective workout every time. The treadmill is compatible with iFit, providing an immersive and interactive training experience. The Profor Carbon TLX features a powerful motor that ensures smooth and quiet operation, with speeds up to 10 mph and a 10% incline to challenge your workouts. The Easy Lift Assist makes folding and unfolding the treadmill a breeze, saving you valuable space when it's not in use. The multi-window LED display tracks your workout stats, and the built-in heart rate sensors help you stay within your target zone. Its sturdy construction and thoughtful design make it a durable and reliable addition to any home gym. Halfway through our list at number 5 is the Horizon Fitness T101 Folding Treadmill. This treadmill is well loved for its quiet operation and easy setup, making it a hassle-free addition to your home gym. It includes Bluetooth connectivity for streaming music and syncing your workout data, a powerful motor for smooth performance, and a variety of workout programs to keep your routine engaging and effective. The T101 also features a spacious running area and a 3-zone cushioned deck, providing comfort and support for your joints during workouts. Its simple folding mechanism and built-in transport wheels make it easy to move and store, perfect for homes with limited space. The treadmill's sturdy frame and high weight capacity ensure stability and durability, while the intuitive controls and clear display make it user-friendly for all fitness levels. Whether you're walking, jogging, or running, the Horizon Fitness T101 offers a reliable and enjoyable exercise experience. Number 4 on our countdown is the Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. This unique treadmill offers 2 modes, a traditional treadmill for running and an under-desk walking treadmill, providing versatility for different workout needs. It features a powerful and quiet motor, a sturdy build, and a sleek, space-saving design that fits well in any home or office. The Goplus treadmill comes with a dual display setup, including an LED touchscreen and a remote control for easy adjustments. It also includes a Bluetooth speaker, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music while you work out. The wide and non-slip running belt provides ample space and safety, while the shock-absorbing system reduces the impact on your joints. The foldable design and transportation wheels make it easy to store and move, making it an excellent choice for those who want to stay active throughout the day, whether at home or at work. At number 3, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness SF-T4 Folding Treadmill. Known for its durability and ease of use, this treadmill is a popular choice among fitness enthusiasts. It features a large LCD display that tracks your speed, time, distance, calories burned, and pulse, giving you all the essential information you need for a productive workout. The treadmill offers speeds up to 9 mm and 3 manual incline levels to add variety and intensity to your routine. The SF-T4 is equipped with a soft drop system, making it easy and safe to unfold. The built-in shock absorption system helps reduce the impact on your joints, making your runs more comfortable. Handrail controls allow for quick and easy adjustments of speed and start-stop functions. Its compact design and foldable frame make it perfect for small spaces, while the sturdy construction ensures it can handle intense workouts. With its combination of features, durability, and affordability, this treadmill is a great addition to any home gym. Taking the number 2 spot is the Extera Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill. This treadmill is an excellent budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. It includes a 5-inch LCD display that provides real-time feedback on your speed, time, distance, calories burned, and pulse. With speeds up to 10 mph and 3 manual incline settings, it offers plenty of options to challenge your workouts and achieve your fitness goals. The TR150 features 12 preset programs, allowing you to vary your workouts and keep them interesting. Its large running surface provides a comfortable area for walking or running, and the cushioned deck helps reduce impact on your joints. The treadmill is designed with a simple yet effective folding mechanism and transportation wheels, making it easy to store and move around. Its sturdy frame and solid construction ensure long-lasting durability, making it a reliable and practical choice for any home gym. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the NordicTrack T-Series 6.5S treadmill. This treadmill is a favorite for many reasons. It comes with a 10-inch touchscreen display, offering an immersive workout experience with interactive personal training via iFit. The treadmill can fold up easily to save space, and the cushioning system reduces impact on your joints, providing a more comfortable run. The NordicTrack T-Series 6.5S features a powerful motor that ensures smooth and quiet operation, with speeds up to 10 mph and a 10% incline to add variety and intensity to your workouts. The treadmill supports up to 300 lbs, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The iFit integration offers a vast library of workouts, including global runs and studio classes, all led by professional trainers who adjust your speed and incline in real time. With its robust build, advanced features, and comprehensive training options, this treadmill stands out as the best folding treadmill on Amazon right now. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best folding treadmills. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.